Have you ever felt like your room is too small to look luxurious? In this video, I'll reveal how clever wall painting design ideas can transform your small home into a high-end apartment, so make sure to click the subscribe button for weekly interior design inspiration. Many say that if a room is small, it has to be painted white to avoid feeling cramped. But at IkiGriya, we know that luxury isn't about space, but about depth of character. Today, I'll show you how the right choice of wall color can transform your small room into a luxury boutique hotel. Ever feel like your ceiling is too low? The secret isn't in the construction, but in the paint. By stretching the wall color all the way to the ceiling, or using a vertical blocking technique, we eliminate the harsh visual boundaries. The result? A room that feels much taller and grander than it actually is. Welcome to IkiGriya. Here, we're not just about decorating, but about creating spaces that tell stories and inspire serenity. I believe that every corner of our home is a reflection of our life's journey. Through the small details, from our color choices to the textures we touch, we are building a legacy of comfort. Today, let's rediscover the beauty within our homes. Don't be afraid of dark colors. An accent wall in charcoal or midnight black actually creates the illusion of depth. It will feel like it's moving away, giving your seating area a more dramatic and intimate dimension. Many people ask, which black or gray won't make a room look dead? One of my favorites is RAL 7016 Anthracite Gray. This color has a cool blue undertone, giving it a modern, luxurious feel without feeling too dark. Do you prefer a gray that leans toward blue like this, or a warmer, earthy one? Let me know in the comments. Luxury often comes from thoughtful simplicity. By using a monochromatic scheme, using the same color gradient from the walls to the furniture details, we create a calm visual flow. This is the easiest way to make a small apartment look truly high-end. The key to a monochromatic look that doesn't get boring is choosing one base RAL color and playing with it. For example, use RAL 9005 Jet Black for small accents like window frames, and RAL 7021 Black Gray for larger wall areas. This subtle difference will create a very expensive visual texture. Check it out. Has anyone tried combining two different dark colors in one room? One of the most frequently asked questions in the comments section is, do the baseboards or baseboards have to be painted white? The answer is no. For a cohesive, luxurious feel, paint your trim and baseboards the exact same color as the walls. This will create a very modern, seamless look. When you order paint with the RAL code, be sure to also select the gloss level. For the most elegant results, like in my videos, I always recommend a matte finish. RAL 9004 Signal Black in a matte finish will look much more luxurious than the glossy version, which reflects light too sharply. Do you think details like this are important, or do you prefer a little shine? A great paint color alone isn't enough. In a small space, texture is key. Consider using a matte finish or lime wash paint to create an organic texture. When illuminated by warm lights at night, your walls will look like works of art. Painting the walls is the first step, but to truly master the luxurious dark home aesthetic, luxurious doesn't always require a large budget or a large area. It all starts with your courage to choose a color palette with character. So, which color will you try for your favorite room in the house? Thank you for spending time with me today. Remember that creating your dream home is a marathon, not a sprint. Enjoy every little change you make. If you enjoyed this aesthetic journey, let's stay connected. Subscribe to become part of the IkiGriya community, and let us know what you think in the comments. See you in the next video, where we'll once again celebrate the beauty behind every door.